Okay, welcome back to Bear's Rod Shop. This is still on the D250 92 Dodge, and we're trying to, like I say, keep this patina. We're gonna fix this fender, but keep this old patina on this old truck. And you can see the cowl is missing, and we're fixing to go over to the shop and show you what I did to the cowl. So it's not painted pristine, but we duplicated the paint. So let me go around here real quick, and let's go up here to the shop. Hang on, bear with me. This old bear don't get along real quick with his knees. But this afternoon, this piece was already media blasted down, this cowl vent, all the way down, and was put into the Prairie Gold original color. And then we come back and we added all the splotches to the, looked like it had sap on it. Now we will end up using a clear coat over it, but it's going to be a satin, and we want this grill to actually match that old patina. So you guys have any comments and questions, please come back and visit Bear's Rod Shop. Thumbs up, and hopefully we can get some comments on this, because this truck is going to stay in the old patina. See ya.